Hey guys, the Night Wolf DJ here, and we're stuck at a Taco Bell during the middle of a crazy storm. Like, oh my god, look at this. We're stuck at a crazy storm. Me and my family went to Taco Bell, and we're stuck at this crazy storm. This is so cool. And the train's coming. Oh, cool. Woo! This is... Yeah, I'm getting video of this. This is so crazy, man, guys. Look at this storm. Look at this. It's like it was calm for like 2 seconds, and this crazy storm just pops out of nowhere. We're stuck at Taco Bell during the middle of a rainstorm. This is so cool. Woohoo! Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Peace out. The Night Wolf DJ is out. Woo! Bye guys.